Hi guys, so real quick I am going to show you how to solve an area of a rectangle problem such as this. So because we do not know the length of the rectangle, I need to solve in order to find that. So I can't do 1.1 5/10 times k. I need to figure out what k is, and then I will have the total area. So you may be given a problem such as this. You have one length or width, and you need to find the other piece, and it gives you the answer of 5 7/10. So rather than multiplying 1 5/10 times 5 7/10, I would get a bigger number, which would not make sense as my length for this example. So what I need to do is the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to take my answer, 5 7/10, and I am going to divide it by 1 5/10. So we are working on multiplying decimals and dividing decimals. So when you're dividing a decimal where the divisor is a decimal, you need to move it out as many times as you need to create a whole number. However many times you move it out of the divisor, you need to move it out of the dividend, and then you bring it straight up. So I need to figure out how many times 15 can go into 5. I know it can go into 0 times. And you know how many times 15 can go into 57. I know 15 times 3 is 45, and I don't think it can go in anymore. So I put my 3 above my 7. 3 times 15 is 45. So I subtract it, and I get 12. Well, 15 can't go into 12, and I know I am not done because I am creating a decimal. So I am going to put a 0 right here and bring it down. So now my number is 120. How many times can 15 go into 120? I know that 15 can go into 128 times, so I put it directly above the 0. 8 times 15 is 120. So that is how I know I am done, is when I reach 0. So k is equals to 3.8, or 3 8/10. And so I could also put it as 1 5/10 times 3 8/10 equals 5 7/10. If you have any questions, please message me privately on Google Classroom.